nights I stay up, cashing in my bad luck. Some nights I call it a draw. Some nights I wish that my lips could build a castle. Some nights I wish they just fall off. But I still wake up, I still see your ghost. Oh Lord, I'm still not sure what I stand for. Oh, what do I stand for? What do I stand for? Most nights I don't know anymore. Stops my bones from wandering. Just why am, oh, who am I? Well, some nights I wish that this all would end, 'cause I could use some friends for a change. And some nights I'm scared you'll forget me again. But some nights I always win. For this, I miss my mom and dad for this. No, when I see stars, when I see stars, that's all they are. When I hear songs, they sound like a swan, so come on. Well, see guys, daddy's on 5 minutes in and I'm bored again. 10 years of this, I'm not sure if anybody understands. This one is not for the folks at home. Sorry to leave, mama had to go. Who the fuck wants to die alone, all dried up in the desert sun? My heart is breaking for my sister and the calm that she called off. And then I look into my nephew's eyes. Man, you wouldn't believe the most amazing things they can come from some terrible night.
Awesome. Ta-da!
Left all our clothes with a car back by the road.
just need to get away. Running with the wolves, we're screaming at the stars. Left all we own in a hole in our backyard. We're running for a reason. Left our cubicles in little flaming piles. We're running for a reason. I need to feel something different for just a little while. I'm not coming home, I'm staying with the wolves. You can burn all my mail and disconnect my phone. Tell Mom I'm sorry, sorry for leaving, but I'm staying where I'm at. So now we're running to find meaning. We're gone and we're not coming back.
Never thought I'd get to touch an elephant, let alone walk next to one.
Watch out! Watch out! So I just stepped forward, but it was actually too late. And the bear scratched me. I think it's gonna be a scar.